Hello students, today we are discussing about haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter. In that, the main topic is methods and preparations of allylic, benzylic and aryl halides, including important named reactions. Okay, first allylic, benzylic, then aryl, then named reactions. See, first allylic. Do you know that allylic means? See, double bond attached alpha carbon. This carbon is allylic position. Okay, here halogenation takes place, then that is called allylic halide. See this one, CH2 double bond CH2 CH2Cl is there. This is called allyl chloride. Okay, this position is allyl position. One more is there, vinyl. The vinyl means CH2 double bond CH2, sorry, here one halogen. This position is vinyl position. Okay, this is the vinyl. The first one is allyl. See the difference. Next, if you want to do allylic position means substitution reaction, then you have to take NBS, N-bromosuccinamide. What is the structure N-bromosuccinamide? This is the N-bromosuccinamide amide functional group type. Okay, N-bromosuccinamide is this one. If you take this one in the allylic position, that halogen takes place. This is the free radical mechanism. Important point is here, free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Okay. Now, and important second point is here in this free radical mechanism, it is considered as a just like electrophile. It is like electrophile because electron deficient. So if you see this hybridization is sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybridization. So it is the planar. So next the bromine will come either front side or back side, and here resonance is there. Okay, resonance also possible. So it is actually it takes place nucleophilic substitution. Intermediate is there. This is nothing but intermediate. So in this intermediate, resonance possibility is there. So always resonance is possible. Resonance is possible. So multiple products we will get it. Okay. So if it is takes place as it is, this compound will come. Resonance means this pi bond is shifted here, then this free radical will come here, then bromine is attacking on the terminal. So here two compounds. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Butene 1 bromo. So 1 bromo but 2 ene. 1 bromo but 2 ene. Here 3 bromo but 1 ene. But 1 ene. Okay, these are also known as constitutional isomers. Next, benzylic, that is allylic over. Next, benzylic. First you have to know that what is the benzylic carbon. This is the benzylic carbon. This carbon is benzylic carbon. In the presence of NBS, again it will take place two compounds here. Here one bromine is there. Second compound also same bromine, but the thing is here one is front side attacking, one is back side attacking. So these two compounds are different. These are also known as racemic mixture. Okay, In the next classes we will discuss SN1 SN2 mechanism में racemic mixture means optically activity different. Suppose this compound is clockwise rotation is there, this compound will rotate anti-clockwise. Only optical activity is different, remaining all properties are same. Okay, optical activity mainly different. See how it is forming, just mechanism here. First it is forming free radical CH3 is there, here CH2 was there, now it is a free radical. So free radical means you know that hybridization. What is the hybridization here? sp2 hybridization. So planar. Okay, in the planar means here next step is the bromine is attacking. The bromine radical, it may come front side or it may come back side also. Okay, if it comes from upper side, this product is there. If it comes from below side, this one is game. These two are different compounds, optical activity. Lekin the condition is it should be chiral carbon. It should be chiral carbon. Chiral carbon means the carbon which is attached to 4 different groups. See here, it is the methyl is there, one side bromine is there, one side benzene ring is there, the other side is hydrogen is there. All 4 carbons are all 4 groups are different. Okay, a carbon which is attached to 4 different groups, that carbon is called chiral center, chiral carbon, stereo center. These names are there. Same here. Then only here 2 compounds. Okay, next suppose one more example I want to give you. Suppose only benzyl chloride is there, only benzyl chloride. Suppose toluene is there. Now if you take NBS, here a single product you will get it, CH2Br. There is no plus and minus, clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation, racemic mixture is not possible. Why? Because this carbon has 2 hydrogens, 1 bromine and 1 is phenyl ring. So only 3 different groups are there. 3 differ. Okay, so it is not a chiral or chiral. It is not a chiral carbon. Okay, it is not a chiral. Okay, chiral के लिए all 4 different groups should be present, A, B, C, D. Then this type of carbon is called chiral carbon. Okay, next. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Methods of preparation of haloalkanes by halogen exchange. Here in the last classes we discussed preparation of RX. RX means generally chlorine and bromine, but you never seen that fluorine and iodine. Okay, these are extremely different properties. Fluorine has a highly reactive and iodine is low reactive. Okay, that atomic size extremely large, extremely smaller this one, extremely larger this one. So completely different properties are there. That's why this preparation is something different. We cannot make it as a common method. So now 2 named reactions are there. Finkelstein, here F is there but the preparation is for I. Okay, it is preparation for Ri. Here other one is Rf. Okay, remember, see only 2 named reactions, one is Finkelstein, one is Schwarz. In Finkelstein we are preparing Ri, alkyl iodide. In the Schwarz the remaining Rf. Alkyl chloride bromide के लिए already we discussed many reactions. See Finkelstein reaction, preparation of alkyl iodide, from where of course we are taking alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, already existing compounds we are taking. Just we are replacing these halogens with iodine. For that what we can take, sodium iodide we are taking in the presence of dry acetone. This acetone is very very important because here this product is NaCl. If you take their chlorine, here NaCl type here. So Na plus Cl minus is the ionic compound. Okay, These ionic compounds are not dissolved in acetone, not dissolved in acetone. Okay, because it's ionic compound, that is non-ionic. So you know that like dissolves in like, polar compounds dissolve in the polar compounds, like that. So this NaCl is here getting the precipitation, so only forward reaction carrying. Okay, this is the main role here. Next, Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction, we are preparing RF from again RCl or RBr. You can take any chlorine or bromine. Here generally metal fluorides we are taking. In that metal fluoride, the best one is silver fluoride. Silver fluoride. Again here this AgBr is forming. The AgBr, you know that AgCl, AgBr, these are the getting the precipitation. Okay, so RF. So named reaction, generally in the exams they will ask in the Schwarz reaction what is the precipitation, what is the which alkyl halide we will prepare, and what is the reagent, like that they can ask. Next, these are something different, only JE purpose. Herns-Dicker reaction. Herns-Dicker reaction. This is silver salts of fatty acids. Silver salts of fatty acids. So carboxylic acid, silver carboxylic acid say we are preparing RX. What is removing here? Simply this total group is removing. Of course, one carbon less containing alkyl halide we are getting. It is removing as carbon dioxide, then silver halide. This silver and halogen AgCl is getting the precipitation. Okay, then see, kabhi bhi carboxylic acid is there, means suppose Na is there, the minus and plus, so easily this metal is getting separate. Even in case of carboxylic acid, H plus is getting separate. So here also this Ag plus is getting separate, means ionization. So this Ag and halogen, immediately this AgX is forming. Then next step, the carbon dioxide is removing by heating. Okay, then it is finally forming alkyl halide. This method is known as Herns-Dicker's reaction. It is a scientist name. Next, Darjan's process or Darjan's method. Already we discussed in the alkyl halide last videos. The speciality of this reaction is here we will get pure alkyl halide. Why? Because SO2 and HCl both are gases. Okay, pyridine we are using. Why we are using pyridine means to neutralize this HCl. Okay, this is the special reaction. Otherwise, alcohol to alkyl halide we can prepare by so many reagents are there. PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. Okay, then bromine, Hi plus, phosphorus. Okay, so is there, but this is the something special because here we are getting pure compound. There is no byproduct. Of course byproduct is there, but those are easily can separate. Next, AgF. Of course, when F is there, we have only two main named reaction, Schwarz and Finkel. Finkel to hoga hi nahi hai, then Schwarz. Next, Finkelson reaction is used to get alkyl iodide. Next, methods of preparations of haloarenes. In the haloarenes means what? In the benzene ring directly attached to halogen, that is haloarenes. So nothing but in the benzene halogenation takes place. Okay, in the benzene halogenation takes place. Even in the class 11 benzene to chlorobenzene, these preparations we did in the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3, Friedel-Crafts reactions, Friedel-Crafts halogenation. So bromobenzene And the second method is bromobenzene. Second method is from benzene to benzene diazonium chloride, then benzene diazonium chloride to haloarenes. Two-step mechanism. But this benzene diazonium chloride we don't discuss now because it is prepared from aniline. So in the next chapter we can discuss. Now see the first one. This is the class 11th already. C11 already you learned. Friedel-Crafts halogenation. Okay. See what is Friedel-Crafts? Friedel-Crafts reagent. This FeCl3 or AlCl3. These are Friedel-Crafts reagents. What is the specialty of this Friedel-Crafts reagent? Either FeCl3 or AlCl3. These both are Lewis acids. Lewis acids. What is the main functioning of this? This AlCl3 react with chlorine. Okay, it is forming AlCl4 minus plus Cl plus. That means here electrophile generate. It is electrophile generating. So this electrophile attacking on the benzene. Okay, so chlorobenzene, bromobenzene is common. For iodobenzene, it's not required this Friedel-Crafts reagent. Direct you can take HiO3, I2 plus HiO3. Why we are taking HiO3? Suppose if Hi is there, if Hi is forming, I minus is there, this I minus immediately oxidized by this HiO3, it is forming into iodine. This iodine again react with benzene, because actually this iodine plus benzene, the bond distance is more, so bond strength is less. Bond strength is less. Bond energy is less. So easily it can break up. So that's why continuously this iodine is generating and iodine is reacting with benzene and forming iodobenzene. Okay, understood or you want more? Okay, next Sandmeyer. This is the class 12th Sandmeyer reaction. So in this Sandmeyer reaction, first we will prepare benzene diazonium chloride. How this benzene diazonium chloride will come? We have to take first aniline, NH2. So from this aniline, it is a reaction with HNO2. This HNO2 is not available actually, so we are taking NaNO2 plus HCl. So if you take these two reagents, you will get HNO2 instant. In situ bolte. In situ means in the test tube only it is forming. Okay, we are taking these two compounds. These are available in the chemistry lab. You can take these two, then automatically it is generating HNO2 plus NaCl is forming. So we will get the best stable intermediate, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride we are getting. So this benzene diazonium chloride is more stable due to the resonance. From this benzene diazonium chloride we can prepare n number of compounds. Okay, in that the important reactions we are discussing here, Sandmeyer reaction. In the Sandmeyer reaction we are using Cuprous. How to remember? See, one is Sandmeyer is there, one is Gutterman is there. Next it will come. Okay, similar reaction. In the Sandmeyer S is there. Here we are using Cuprous. Okay, then HCl, Cuprous chloride plus HCl is there. Then chlorobenzene we are getting. Byproducts are nitrogen and HX. Next, see Gutterman, same reaction, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, then here we are taking the reagent is different, copper plus HCl. Then chlorobenzene we are getting. Byproduct nitrogen. Okay, so in case of here, if you take HBr, then bromobenzene you will get. So similarly bromobenzene you will get from Sandmeyer and Gutterman. But iodobenzene and fluorobenzene is something different. Okay, these 2 we cannot prepare from this Gattermann and Sandmeyer. Next. Okay, bye.